this video probably completely separated from the actual driving into this food bank. But we are here in El Paso, Texas at the food bank, making our delivery, going to door 6. And if the other video's been uploaded, the line is still going. Been open for about an hour. Check it out. This is what we're doing, folks. We're supplying people that needs, I mean, what can I say? Thank a trucker. Don't always assume we're just in the way. We're out here doing the best we can to supply everybody that needs it, even at the food banks. But all this video is going to consist of is just pulling in, getting on the door. That's it. I'm just going to start trying to look at that. I mean, packed up, and this is what we're bringing it to. People that needs. Alright, we're going to door 6 right there. Which is the very end door. And I'll have to go in and see if I can't get a cutter, because I've got the thick wire seal on there and I can't. I mean, I probably can just twist it off, but maybe we can just get it cut off. Might be a lot better. Maybe. We ran over looked like an orange juice carton. Do here is swing it up at a good angle. We could flip around and just make it a nice easy straight back, but this is just as easy. Alright, we are here on the door, delivered to the food bank. Cut that a little bit sharp. And remember, folks, don't forget to thank a truck driver. Appreciate you watching.